One of the key things you'll note is the volume of these incidents.
More than 20,000 reports related to family and intimate partner violence were made to Toronto police last year, a rate that's been steady over the last decade.
How does this information help police respond to the crisis?
There's a number of ways that this data is used, and this would show up from a corporate strategy resource allocation perspective, right to local divisions and local neighborhood officers being assigned. This also is the type of data that informs training and awareness campaigns.
The new police data also highlights the top 5 neighborhoods which had the highest IPV rate per 100,000 residents. Last year, Weston topped the list with 284 incidents reported. All 5 neighborhoods are from police divisions in the city's West End that are part of the SafeTO program.
What we don't know from this is what is the story behind each case? What happened next?
Community agencies are applauding the move by Toronto Police, but say it's one of many steps that need to be taken.
It drags what's sort of been lurking in the shadows out into the light and adds data to it. And I think that data is extremely important in getting the government to realize sort of the magnitude of the problem.
And those I spoke to, including Rachel Morrison with the North York Women's Shelter, believe these numbers are just the tip of the iceberg.
The majority of people won't report their incidences. What we're also seeing is that there are becoming more creative, more insidious ways that perpetrators are carrying out their violence towards their victims. There is a lot more use of technology to track locations now in terms of digital stalking and harassment. There are lots of ways that we just haven't seen in years gone by.
Police tell me they are taking steps to address the crisis. Every division has now established procedures, and there are domestic violence coordinators who are specifically trained investigators.
What we would like to see next is shelters and other gender-based violence agencies being invited to be more involved in the police response.
The Toronto Police data does not include the number of murders connected to intimate partner violence, but across Ontario there have been at least 35 femicides since last November, and more than half are connected to IPV or family violence. Shauna Hunt, City News.